Here is the most demanded tutorial you all have been waiting for. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an attractive ebook completely from scratch, step by step. So let's jump to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Write some profitable and most searched ebook topics on Amazon KDP. Here is a detailed list of most trending and in-demand ebook niches on Amazon KDP. You can choose any of these topics for your ebook, and I am choosing self-care routines for women and teens. For this, again type here, I want to choose self-care routines niche for my ebook. My ebook has 8 pages in which I will tell people easy self-care routines. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 4 different titles for your cover page and also created content for each page as well. Jump to Canva's homepage and search here ebook. Here you can see both free and paid templates are available. You can choose any of them. But if you are planning to upload your ebook on Amazon KDP, then use free templates or customize your own ebook by using a blank page. Now go to Elements and search here Flower Field. Go to Photos and remember this trick. Choose Vertical and Free. By using free objects in your ebook, you won't face any kind of copyright issue from Amazon. Now choose the square shape, drag this shape and spread on the whole page. Again, reuse this shape and drag and spread on whole page. Then increase the width of borders to 30 and change the color to white. Reduce the transparency and change the position to backward. Now copy the title for your cover page. Go to text box and paste your title here. Now change the font color to white and change the font style as well. Let's choose this one. Search here doodles. Go to graphics. Let's choose this. Change the color to white. Title page is ready, so let's design interior pages. Now reduce the transparency of this image. And change the background color to purple. Again, jump to ChatGPT and copy the content of the first page. And paste here. Now reduce the size of the text. You can also change font style of this text and background image as well. First page is ready, so let's design the second page. Choose this free image. To adjust this image, go to frames and go to blob. Choose this one. Increase the size and adjust on the upper side. Now simply drag this image and drop on blob, and it has adjusted. And now change the background color as well. Now choose this shape and increase the roundness of corners. Now increase its size and adjust here. Now change the font color to black and change the alignment. Let's change the font style as well. I'm choosing this. By following this method, you can generate your own ebook as well. To download this book in PDF, go to Share option, click on Download and choose PDF Standard. Just make sure you don't use any Pro elements from Canva's library, otherwise you won't be able to download this PDF.